and I thank God for the good results that we have posted in the year 2023. We could not make it without the help of God. It is by the help of God that we were able to move from 6.0 to 7.22, and the girls were very hardworking together with the teachers.
This year, having scored our best mean so far, we really have to praise Allah for this achievement. 4 words. One is the discipline of the candidates is what brought us here. They remained disciplined all through their preparations and when they were sitting for the exams. Second word is teamwork. The teaching fraternity and even the subordinate staff, we had a lot of teamwork where we were able to assist each other in our specific areas. Fourth word is dedication of the whole school.
Girl child education, lazima kama wazazi tukumbuke wasichana wetu, tuwalete shule. Like watu kama wa North Eastern na Samburu, kawaida huwa tunadharau wasichana. But ni wasichana ndio watakupeleka mbele, na familia nyingi sasa hizi zinashikiliwa na wasichana.
Nakuo kaunti ya Nairobi, itura